The perfect mother? She doesn't exist.
I thought I had to be the perfect mum. Tidy, organised, having it all together.
We are all trying our best, and that is enough.
The balance we're chasing is a myth. There's no right way. It's just your way.
I'm still making it up as I go along, but that's okay because you've got this.
You don't have to change to be worth it. I'm still me. My passions, my confidence, my identity, they still matter.
I'm a bloody great mum.
Wait, am I actually allowed to brag about that?
You know, honestly, as mums, we don't say it enough.
We're worth it.
We're worth it.
We're worth it.
Every mother is worth it. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.